Want to create organizational charts in Excalidraw? Organizational charts help visualize company structures, reporting relationships, departments, and team hierarchies. Excalidraw makes it easy to build clean, professional org charts using simple shapes and connectors. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create organizational charts in Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. You can start creating organizational charts immediately without creating an account or installing any software. Next, use the rectangle tool to create the highest position in your organization, such as the CEO, manager, or team leader. Add the person's name and job title using the text tool. Now create additional rectangles beneath the top-level position for department heads, managers, or team members. Duplicate boxes when possible to keep the layout consistent and save time. Use the arrow or line tool to connect each box and clearly show reporting relationships. Keeping connectors straight and evenly spaced makes the organizational chart much easier to read. Customize your chart by changing colors, fonts, borders, and spacing. You can also group related departments with matching colors to make the structure easier to understand. When your organizational chart is complete, save the editable Excalidraw project file or export it as a PNG or SVG image. This makes it easy to share your chart in presentations, reports, or company documentation. And that's how to create organizational charts in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're documenting a company structure, planning a new team, or presenting reporting relationships, Excalidraw provides a simple and flexible way to build professional organizational charts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.